Hi, I am Dr. Sue Mitchell, and I'm here to talk to you today about our SIBO test. The SIBO kit that we use is called Trio Smart, and the reason I recommend this test kit is that it looks for all three gases that could be produced in the condition of SIBO, and SIBO does stand for small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. So we are either looking for organisms that produce hydrogen gas or organisms that produce methane gas, or the third gas is called hydrogen sulfide. So Trio Smart is the kit that can look for all three gases, and with this kit we will give you a prescription sugar substance called lactulose, and you will get that along with your kit if this test has been recommended for you.
Hi, I'm Miranda. I'm the nurse at Gutwell Medical, and I am here to walk you through your SIBO breath test. So before you even get the kit, you're going to want to make sure that you've stopped all antibiotics for at least 4 weeks and stopped all probiotics for at least 2 weeks. The day before you get your kit, there is a special diet that consists of meat, so beef, chicken, fish, and tofu. Also, you can have potatoes and rice, and then the only seasonings you're allowed to have are olive oil, salt, and pepper. Make sure you drink lots of water, and then if you're a coffee drinker, black coffee's fine, no cream or sugar, and tea is okay as well, without any cream or sugar. And then before sitting down to do the test, you're going to want to fast for 8 to 12 hours. So we recommend the diet, fasting overnight, and then the next morning sitting down to do the test. Let's go over what's inside. Inside is going to be a booklet that walks you through step by step, as well as an informational handout. You're going to have 9 bags for you to breathe in and a disposable mouthpiece. You're going to have your sugar substitute, this is the lactulose, as well as your requisition form that you're going to want to make sure you have signed in the middle and either Dr. Mitchell or your primary care person has signed at the bottom. It's also going to have a label for each bag, as well as a shipping label for your box, and then a big plastic bag to put all of your samples inside. All right, you have stopped your antibiotics, you have done the diet, you have fasted for 8 to 12 hours. Now it is ready to sit down and do the test. So the very first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your label, you're gonna fill out everything that's indicated and sticker it on your bag, specifically with the time that you're gonna do this. Your very first sample is gonna be the control. So you're gonna take your bag, attach the mouthpiece. You're gonna wanna make sure that it is open by turning it counterclockwise. Then you are gonna breathe for 2 seconds into the bag, cover the hole with your finger, and twist it back to close. Just like that. Now you're gonna set a timer on your phone for 15 minutes while we get set up for the next bag. That very first bag is the control. So once you've done that, you can drink your sugar substitute, wait the 15 minutes, and then go through the rest of the 9 bags like that. All right, now that you have breathed into all 9 bags, you're gonna wanna double check that all of them have been labeled with the date and the time and your name. And then you're gonna pack them all up into this plastic bag that has been provided for you. Stick the bag back into the Trio Smart box, stick the label on the box, and then drop it off to FedEx same day. Once you've submitted your test, it takes about 7 to 10 business days for us to get results. All of results will be emailed directly to you after Dr. Mitchell has had a chance to review them.